Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. My name's Ben and today I'll be taking you through how to charge your Audi E-Tron. So first of all, what you want to do is pull this little lever down at the bottom and that will open the front for you. Make your way around to the front. There is a small lever just inside. Upon opening the boot, you'll see space in the front. Lift the latch, and in here we probably recommend that this is a place where you store your cables. Take out the required cable that you'll need. So this is the cable that you would use should you have any charging points located at home. This car also does come with a 3-pin plug with an adapter, which you can plug into regular plugs at home. But this will give you the 7.5 kilowatts of charging from something like a pod point. As you move over it, simply take the smaller end of the cable and plug it into the charging point. And then taking the larger end of the cable, you know it's a larger end because it'll have the little cap on. We move over to the E-Tron, press a small button, and simply plug it in. Once you've plugged it in, it will lock the cable in place, flash amber, and you will literally wait until it flashes green to know that the car is charging. And as you can see, flashing green meaning that this car is now charging. So once you've plugged in your Audi E-Tron, you will be able to sit in the vehicle or use the mobile phone app that you can get with the phone. One of our salesmen will surely tell you that when you purchase the vehicle. But if you just come forward and have a look at the virtual cockpit display, what you can see inside is the vehicle's charging wattage. So it's currently charging at 10 kilowatts per hour. We can see the range that's currently available, 132 miles. The percentage that we're currently at, 83%. As well as how long left until the battery is fully charged. We've got 1 hour and 6 minutes. So coming back to charging the vehicle with your mobile phone, what you can do with that is set a time to charge. This is great if you want to avoid those peak price charges. Normally your off-peak times will be between 10 o'clock at night and 5 o'clock in the morning. Do obviously check with your provider what times they will be. But what you can do with your phone is set your car to charge between those hours. And what will that basically do is charge your car at a cheaper price. And great because it charges the car while you're asleep. No need to do anything else. So one thing people ask a lot of the time is, what do I do with my charger? Leaving it out there, is somebody going to play a prank and disconnect it? Simply all you have to do is lock the vehicle. And once you lock the vehicle, you can basically walk away and the pod charge point will lock in place. This means that nobody can disconnect your car while you're not there, leaving you to go about your day. So once you've finished about your day, you come back to your vehicle, unlock the car, simply push this button here. That will unlock and also stop the charging, and the port will automatically disconnect for you. Now that should go up just after a bit of time, but if you want to close it straight away, just push the button. Make sure it's nice and rolled up. Disconnecting from these is just as easy, just give it a pull and it'll disconnect for you. Once you're done with your cables, you can either place them back in the boot or if you have some sort of pod point at home, a lot of the time that will allow you to wrap the cable around the pod point, meaning you don't have to carry it around in the car all the time. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this gives you some information on how to charge your E-Tron. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to give our team a call.